Hello everyone, I am Rajeshwari from SNS College of Technology in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. So today we are going to see about what is a supervised learning algorithm. Under that we are going to see about what is cost function and gradient descent. So before that, we are going to recall the topic as supervised learning, which is the data consists of input features and output labels, which is it is a labeled data, a model which is a mathematical function that maps input to outputs, and predictions are generated using model parameters. So the difference between predicted and actual value is called error. While training a model, which means adjusting parameters to reduce error, and optimization is required to improve model accuracy, and the graph which helps visualize relationship between variables. So this is the basic concept of supervised learning, which is the labeled data which has both input features and output labels are consist in the desired data, and which is a mathematical function which maps input to outputs. So next we are going to see about what is the main goal of cost functions in supervised learning. So which is mainly used to understand the concept and the purpose of cost functions in machine learning models. So which interrupt how prediction errors are qualified using common functions such as mean squared error, and which is mainly used to analyze examine the role of gradients in determining the directions of parameter updates, and implement is mainly used to apply gradient descent to iteratively minimize the cost function during model training. And evaluate is the function which is mainly used to access the impact of learning rate selection on convergence and model performance. So this is the basic goal which we are going to process the cost function and gradient descent in supervised learning. The first thing is define, explain, analyze, implement, and evaluate. So define is for concept and understanding the concept and purpose of cost function, and explain is for how predictions errors are qualified, and analyzes is the mainly used for examine the role of gradients, and implement is to apply the gradient descent and to minimize the cost functions during model training, and evaluate is the assess the impact of learning rate selections. So this is the main goal of cost functions and gradient descent in supervised learning. So the next thing is we are going to see about introduction. So introduction of cost function is, in machine learning, model makes predictions based on input data. So which is the error occur when predictions differ from actual values. So while training the model, the error will occur the error will occur when predictions differ from the actual values. To improve the accuracy, we need a way to measure and minimize the error. So cost function and gradient descent helps achieve this optimizations. So by using the optimization, it will helps to achieve the cost function and gradient descents to improve the accuracy, and the way to measure the minimize the error. So which is the prediction of actual values from the desired outcome. So the main thing is while training the model, it will make the prediction based on input data. So this is the introduction of cost functions and gradient descents. So next class we are going to see about what is the cost functions. Thank you.